Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. There are many times when, let's say, you're traveling and you took some pictures there, and in your camera or your phone camera folders, there are some old pictures too, which already exists on your laptop or desktop where you've stored them previously. So what happens is, let's say you had, just to give an example, you have 150 pictures in your laptop folder, and on your phone camera folder, you have about 150 old pictures, and then you've taken another 50 pictures today. So it's difficult to find out which pictures you should upload to the laptop as a backup. So it's a lot of manual work, and you could miss some pictures or lose some pictures during the process. So what I found was that I found a useful software, which is a free software online. So let's go to, let me show you. So I go to Google, search for FreeFileSync. FreeFileSync. So the first link which will come up is this open source file synchronization and backup file. Click on that, and then click on download. And then you have different options. You have one for Windows, one for Mac OS. So depending on what operating system you have on your laptop or desktop, you can install the version you want. So once you install, I've already downloaded the file and installed it on my laptop. So let's take a look how it looks. What are the steps to go about mix and match of the files you have on your on a folder different from what you have previously. So let's look at that. So for this example, I open this file explorer. So for this example, let's go to, I've created two folders. So if I have videos one, so if you see here, I have 3 files. Let me open another file explorer to show you I have videos 2, right? So let's look at this. That's details. So I have videos 1, right? And I have videos 2. Videos 1 has 3 files, and videos 2 has 4 files. So if you look at it, let's reduce this. So if you see, there are 3 files here. I mean, actually, in the 4 files on videos 2, the first file is common between videos 1 folder and videos 2 folder. And the rest of the files here are different from what's there, and vice versa. So let's take a look how FileSync works. So what I do is go to Open FileSync, and now either you can click on Browse or you can just drag and drop the folder you want. So let me drop videos 1 on the left side, and then drag videos 2 on the right side. So now, once you've identified the folders to compare, click on Compare. So if you see, there are different types of synchronization. So you can have a two-way where you're going to make sure the both the folders have the same files on. Once you do this two-way, that is one way. But for us, let's say you want to just keep the latest updates on your videos 1 folder into videos 2. Then I would use update. So what if you see here, it has 3 of the existing files here, and I mean these are the 2 new ones. So you want to just pull this over. So now you just say synchronize. So there you go. So you have moved the file. So let's take a look what happens here. So video one has 3 files, and it has the video 2 has the 2 extra files which were not there before. So this is how you use FileSync. It's a free software, and I really enjoyed using it, and it's very useful. I hope this software helps you keep a backup of all your items in sync and in good shape. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.